Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my November Empties video. I didn't use up a lot this month. There are several items that I'm like at the tail end of, so maybe December will be more exciting, but we only have a couple things here, and some of it's just stuff I'm getting rid of, not even like used up stuff. So let's talk about that stuff first. I'm gonna give away the Lovebird Tinted Lip Balm in the color Pout. I started kind of a lip products audit, trying on several colors, and this one just didn't feel like me. So I'm giving that away to a friend. I'm also going to give away the MAC Lip Gloss in Talk Sexy. This also just felt a little not the most complimentary to my skin tone, so I'm going to give those to a friend. I guess sticking on the lip product train, I finished the Jane Ardell Lip Drink Lip Balm in Flirt, and I want to say this one had SPF, but I'm not 100% sure about that. But I just had this in my purse, and it is to the point where it can't be spun up anymore, and I liked it. It was good. I don't think I'd seek it out, but I'd definitely be happy to get another one of these in a box in the future because it's just a solid chapped lip product. So yeah, and the color was easy enough to use that I didn't really need a mirror to apply it, which was nice because it gave you a little something, but it wasn't so intense that you had to like really pay attention to what you were doing. Another makeup item I'm done with. This is the Elate new black mascara, and this was really good. I really enjoyed using it. I have so many mascaras that I can't even like say the words, yeah, I'd repurchase it, because the second I feel like I'm getting through them, another one comes in a box. So I really enjoyed it. I like the packaging, but yeah, if you're looking for one, I'd check it out. Not something I'm gonna seek out though. I don't even know if this is vegan cruelty free, but this came in a little goodie bag that my tattoo artist gave me, so I just used it because I was traveling anyway when I got my tattoo. So this is the Aquaphor Healing Ointment Advanced Therapy, and it's just a little sample that I got 2 uses out of when I was in Asheville and getting my dragonfly. I finished up a tube of the Hello Anti-Plaque Whitening Toothpaste. That is my go-to. I always buy this one. It just gets the job done. The only thing I don't care for about this brand is the packaging. The plastic is on the thicker side, so I know there's probably more in there, but I can't get it squeezed in the right way to get more out. I've banged it and banged it and banged it, and at this point I'm just done fighting with it, and this happens every single time with every tube. So I wish there was a better packaging solution, but otherwise I really like the toothpaste itself. I also finished the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfection. It repairs and strengthens all hair types. I think I got 2 uses out of this sample, which I think is pretty good. I definitely notice like a difference in my hair. It does feel healthier after using this, but I don't know that this is something I like more than, say, like I just got it here on my desk, then I liked the Loamane mask. I think that really transforms my hair, so I liked it. I'd be happy to get another sample of it, but it's not something I'm gonna buy. So there's that. And then the last item, because yes, that's how few items I went through this month, is the Paula's Choice Resist Skin Restoring Moisturizer Broad Spectrum SPF 50. This is the one for normal dry skin. Now my skin is not dry, my skin's more normal balanced, but I always like to get dry skin products because I just love extra moisture. So this is my favorite. I'm already on to another one, and I repurchase this all the time. Love this one, can't recommend it enough. So that's everything I used up in the month of November. Not a ton, but I am on the tail end of a lot of things. So December might be more exciting, but we'll see. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them down below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button, and otherwise, I will talk to you all later. Bye!